Today, we're going to be talking about testing in Python using the pytest framework. Testing is a crucial aspect of software development that helps ensure the quality and reliability of our code. Today, we'll cover the basics of writing tests, organizing test cases, and running tests using pytest. Now, before we get into the video, if you guys want to see more videos like this, drop a like down below. It helps us out tremendously with the YouTube algorithm, and with that out of the way, let's hop right into it. So for this example, we're going to assume that we have a file called testcalculator.py that would simulate a calculator. So here's an overview of the steps we'll follow to start testing. We'll import the necessary libraries, define test functions using the pytest decorators, write assertions to validate the expected behavior of the code, and run the test using pytest. Alright, so let's start by importing the calculator function. Next, we'll define our test functions using the pytest decorator at pytest.mark. Each test function should start with the word test. For example, in this example, we're testing the addition function of our calculator module. We call the function with 2 arguments and pass and assert that the result is equal to 5. If the assertion fails, pytest will indicate which test case failed and provide detailed information. Alright, so if you were to want to run this, you would just type in pytest in your terminal and it would automatically discover and run all test functions in your test file. It'll display a summary of the results, including the number of tests ran, and any failures or errors that were encountered. It's also important to write comprehensive tests that cover different scenarios and edge cases. Let's add another test function to our file. In this example, we're testing the subtraction function. We call the function with 2 arguments and assert that the result is equal to 2. Running the test again with pytest will execute both test functions and provide the updated results. And that's it for this video. We've written and executed tests using pytest in Python. Remember to write tests that cover various scenarios and edge cases to ensure the robustness of your code. If you found this video helpful or just enjoyed, drop a like down below, subscribe for more, leave a comment if you have any questions, and we'll catch you in the next one.